Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying you are the device owner. Have the Apple ID and password that was signed into iCloud, plus the original receipt showing serial or IMEI. Once ready, sign in to iCloud. COM or open Find My on a trusted Apple device. Make sure to use a secure network. This step proves ownership and lets you access activation lock controls. Do not attempt third-party bypasses. Proceed here because iCloud's tools are the legitimate, supported path for removing activation lock. Once signed into Find My, locate the locked iPhone in the device list and choose Erase iPhone to wipe it remotely. This clears user data and triggers activation lock removal options for the linked Apple ID. After erasing, click Remove from Account so the device is no longer associated with your Apple ID. Make sure the iPhone stays connected to Wi-Fi and has battery. If you can't erase remotely, boot the device to activation screen and follow prompts after removal from account. Finish by restarting the iPhone and activating it. You should be able to sign in with your Apple ID or set it up as new. If the activation lock still appears or you lack the original Apple ID, gather the proof of purchase, device serial/IMEI, and valid photo ID, then contact Apple support or visit an Apple store. Troubleshooting tip. If online removal fails, Apple support can process a manual request when you provide clear proof of ownership. This is the secure, legitimate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.